welcome back to the studio. So today we're going to use some chalk paint. We're going to paint some jars and prepare them for flower arrangements for a special event that's happening in my family. So my daughter's getting married and she has already announced her colors to us. So we're going to attempt to do some table decorations on our own to save a little bit of money. So I'm going to show you how to turn a simple candle jar that you get from the store. Once the wax is gone, then you want to remove all of your wax and wash it thoroughly with soap and prepare it for the next step. All right, so as you can see, I have cleaned out a regular candle. Now it just started out as a candle like this that you get from the store. Once all the wax was burned, I cleaned it out and we're getting ready to paint it with a chalky finish paint. And this is a medium base paint that I've tinted to a blue. I'm actually going to add some green into it, so it's hard to see the different colors on the camera, but I've been experimenting with colors and she likes more of the teal instead of the farmhouse blue, and that's all right. We're going to go ahead with that and paint all the jars for our centerpieces. Okay, so I have mixed up my paints. The color that she wanted is kind of a robin egg blue. So I've mixed the chalk paint with a little bit of sage green and a little bit of sapphire acrylic paint. So it really turned out to be a beautiful color. So I'm going to actually sponge this on. Now you can use a brush if you'd like. However, when you use a brush, you're going to end up with brush marks. If you're going to cover your jar with ribbon or something like that, that's fine. Those brush marks won't matter. But I'm only going to put some small spaces on my jars that have ribbon. So I do want it to be a little textured and a little smoother in spots. So what I like to do is get a full coverage first. Now you don't have to paint the bottoms of your jars. If you would like to do that, then you want to make sure you elevate them. So this way, this is all covered inside, so you can do what you want with the inside of this jar. So some people will use floral foam. Some people will just arrange flowers in it. All right, so this is fine. Now I am not going to worry about the bottom of this, but I am going to elevate it as it dries. And I want to sponge around the top in case we see it. All right, so I'm going to finish the other jars and I will be back with you in just a little bit. All right, so as our wedding plans are changing and we're looking at different schemes, my daughter wanted these to actually more match a teal color. So we kind of dry brushed some teal over top of there. She wanted it to match the center of this doily. So that is about what will match. So that's going to match. So that will be nice. So we're going to carry on and keep on decorating from here.